Okay, friends, so we are going to now be painting the water for our koi fish. I changed out your orange watercolor with some blue. That's going to be our base coat. We're doing a wet on wet again. You're still going to have your watercolor palettes. And I also added something extra salt, but we saved that for the very end. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your brush, and we're just going to paint a fourth of the paper at a time. So reminder, you want to start with the color that's in this cup and get your paper wet with that. And I'm going to do just about a fourth of the paper. I'm holding it by the gripper and I'm making sure, you know what the trick is, friends, that my water is staying glossy. So I'm only doing about a fourth of the paper at the time. So I've got to keep it glossy. You can do more than one layer, but work really quick. Then I'm going to clean my brush with some water, and I'm going to get one of the three cool colors. Okay, so that's green, purple, or blue. And I'm going to take it. I'm going to do this blue because this blue is a little darker. It's going to look different. Rub it in there with some water, and I'm going to drip while it's wet. And you will see it will start to spread because the paper is still glossy. I'm going to go in, clean my brush, because I want to get another color before that dries. I'm going to do a little purple. Okay, and then remember you just dot, dot, dot with that second color. Okay, now I'm going to do the last cool color, which is green. Dot, 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 dot. Okay. I'm going to clean my brush off, and now what I'm going to do, the last thing before that dries, just a very tiny pinch of salt, otherwise it doesn't work. Before this area dries, you're going to add a little salt, and that salt, while that water's wet, it's going to actually cause a reaction. And I know it's going to be weird having that salt sit there, but when it dries, when we wipe that salt off next time, there's going to be little bubbles of lighter color in those spots. So I'm now going to finish this side. I'm just going to do the other half, upper half. And the reason, again, why we're doing this is so that it does not dry. I'm working really fast so it does not dry me. Okay, go really quick with it. Just throw it right on there. And now I'm going to get one of my cool colors and dot, dot, dot. Wash my brush. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, last step, don't forget it. You're going to go in with a little bit of that salt. All right, I'm now going to do the bottom, and again, I'm going to break it up into fours. Go in with your blue in your fourth area. You can even go a bit into the paint that you originally did. Keep it glossy. Get enough on there that it's still glossy. Okay. Clean your brush. Dip, dip, dip. All right, friends, so when I'm done with this, I'm going to add the salt to this bottom and then work in this quarter here.